Welcome to this overview of the LOTM16 tablet and Chromebook charging cart from Luxor. My name is Sophia, and I'm pleased to introduce you to our top-selling member of our charge and store product line. The sloped shelf and slots are angled back to allow for easy storage, and they're padded to prevent damage. To the rear of the cart, you'll find a 16-outlet UL-listed power strip in a generously sized tray. It's large enough for oversized power bricks and cables, and these handy cable clips keep the cords organized. You can count on years of reliable use thanks to the LOTM16's durable steel construction and powder coat finish. The 4 rolling casters, 2 with locking brakes, make it easy to move the cart from location to location. The LOTM16 arrives in one box, and it's easy to assemble. It's ideal for classrooms and dynamic work environments. It's been a pleasure to have introduced you to the LOTM16. All of us here at Luxor look forward to helping you turn your workspace into space that works better.